Hello YouTube, it's me, Caleb with Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums, and today I have a video to show you a vacuum cleaner I got from my church for borrowing, but I'm going to see if I can give a donation to the church and keep it, because I really do like this vacuum. But, let's start off with one thing. I actually got a ceiling fan put back in my room. It's a, either, I can't remember where my stepfather got it from me, Walmart or Home Depot. One of those places, but it was just a cheap one. So, let's move some of my stuff out of the way. Like this. Down. Cord undone. I actually just replaced the bag on it. So it's off. And here it is. It's a Hoover Spirit, 3.1 peak horsepower. Tool caddy, but you just push this door back like that and pull it off, and there's your Type K bag. And the door just slips into two little slots and locks on. Extension tubes, like I have a few of those, but so let's give you a little demonstration. Let's get you over here. Like I said, it's a 3.1, but serial number is 0188000071627. If a classic TV man could tell me what that is, what year it would be, again, it is a 01880071627. It's model number S3431. It's a 7.8 amps, 120 volts, bag Type K, for household use only. It says made in the U.S. It says Hoover Cleaner, the Hoover Company, North Canton, Ohio, 44720. So there's your under part of the vacuum. Nice caster wheels. I really like how that cover pops off, so I really might ask if I can just buy it. So I really do like this one. Unique post motor filter. You can wash those over and over and over and use them. So let's end the video there, guys. I just wanted to show you a new vacuum I got currently, and may be added in. Just depends if I can get the church to sell it to me. Thanks for watching.